It's no secret that recently the IRS has aggressively been cracking down on crypto tax compliance. In the past 12 months, we've seen the IRS send tens of thousands of warning and action letters to Coinbase users who are suspected of not reporting their crypto income and investment activity. This has a lot of people asking the simple question, David, how do I report my crypto trades and investment activity on my taxes? In this video, we're going to walk through the step-by-step process for reporting your crypto on your taxes. And it's the same process here at CryptoTrader.Tax that we've used to help more than 30,000 cryptocurrency investors of all different backgrounds get everything properly reported and filed themselves. If you keep watching, you'll see just how easy it can be to avoid future IRS audits and expensive tax penalties from not reporting your crypto. So let's jump in. We're going to run through a 4-step process for getting your crypto taxes done. Step 1, it's important to understand the tax implications of crypto at a high level. Step 2 is aggregating your transaction data across all your platforms. Step 3, actually calculating your gains, losses, and income in US dollar terms based on that data. And then lastly, step 4 is actually filling out your tax forms from your calculations. Step 1. Understand the tax implications of crypto. So you don't need to become an expert, but you should have a basic understanding of how cryptocurrency is treated from a tax perspective. And so we're going to walk through that now. Generally speaking, there are 2 buckets that cryptocurrency income falls into. 1, capital gains income, or 2, ordinary income. So investing activity like buying, selling, and trading falls into the capital gains income bucket. For example, if you buy Bitcoin for $10,000 and then trade it for Ethereum when it's worth $12,000, you incur a $2,000 capital gain. And this is income from your investing activity, and it is thus treated as capital gains income on your tax return. On the other hand, if you earn cryptocurrency, whether that's from a job, mining, staking, or earning interest rewards, that earned income generally falls into the ordinary income bucket. For example, if I earned 2 Ether over the course of a year in interest income, let's say from lending out my ETH on Compound, I would recognize ordinary income for the associated US dollar value of 2 Ether. The key for both of these types of income is to simply calculate that income, whether it was capital gains or ordinary income, in US dollar terms and report that amount on your taxes. Step 2. So now we have a basic understanding of cryptocurrency tax treatment and how it's all handled. So let's move on to step 2, actually aggregating together all of your crypto transactions. Whether you have been buying, selling, or trading on a number of exchanges or earning staking rewards to a particular wallet address, the next step for getting your crypto taxes done is to actually pull together all of your historical transactions across all of your platforms into a single unit of record. Because once all of your transactions are in one place, you'll easily be able to calculate your gains, losses, and income from those transactions in US dollar terms. But see, if your records are scattered all over the place, it's going to be impossible to do this. So that's step 2. You can pull together all of your historical transaction data by hand, or you can use crypto tax software like CryptoTrader.Tax to automatically connect your cryptocurrency accounts and import all of your transactions. As you can see in this example, I'm importing my buys, sells, trades, and staking rewards from my exchanges like Coinbase and Binance, as well as my Exodus wallet. With a few clicks, I can import all of my transaction history from these platforms directly into my CryptoTrader.Tax account. Now I have all of my historical transactions gathered into one unit of record. Step 3, calculate your gains, losses, and income. Okay, so once you have all of your historical transactions in one spot, it's time to calculate your gains, losses, and income from each of your taxable events. Now, a taxable event is simply a scenario in which you triggered a tax reporting requirement. We've already outlined some of these in our earlier examples. For example, you incur a taxable event when you sell crypto for fiat currency like US dollars, when you trade one cryptocurrency for another, when you use your crypto to buy goods or services, or lastly, when you earn cryptocurrency. As you can see here, thanks to our second step when we gathered together all of our data, you can see we have all of our historical buys, sells, trades, and income events across all of the crypto platforms that we've used in one spot. So now if you're doing this part by hand, you can manually calculate your gains and losses from each trade by looking up what the value of your cryptocurrencies were in US dollar terms at the time of each trade. If you want to avoid this manual step, you can simply run your data through the CryptoTrader.Tax engine and have it do all of the historical US dollar price lookups and number crunching for you. Whichever route you take, you need to calculate your gains, losses, and income, again, in US dollar value terms across all of your transactions. Once you've finished these calculations, you're ready to move on to the final step, filling out your tax forms. Step 4, okay, the final step, filling out your relevant tax forms. Recall from the beginning of this video our two buckets of crypto income. 1, capital gains income from investing activity, and 2, ordinary income from earning cryptocurrencies. Your capital gains and losses from each of your cryptocurrency trades get reported on IRS Form 8949. Simply fill out each column of this form with each of your cryptocurrency trades. Once all of your trades are reported, sum up all of the gains and losses to arrive at your net gain or your net loss for the year. CryptoTrader.Tax will automatically generate your IRS Form 8949 based on all of the historical data that you imported. You can download your 8949 right from your tax dashboard and import it into TurboTax or send it to your tax professional. Okay, so that was capital gains. Now what about ordinary income? Unfortunately, ordinary income doesn't fall nicely onto a single tax form like we saw for capital gains. The ordinary income you receive from mining, staking, interest accounts, or perhaps a crypto you received as payment from a job get reported on different tax forms depending on the specific situation. For example, if you ran your own cryptocurrency mining operation, the income you earn from your mining rig would likely be classified as self-employment income, which gets reported on Schedule C. On the other hand, if you simply earned interest rewards on your crypto deposits or lending activity, this income would generally be reported on Schedule 1 under the Other Income section. In CryptoTrader.Tax, you can download your complete income report to get a full breakdown of all of your ordinary income events from your crypto earning activity reported in US dollar terms. If you have any questions about how your crypto ordinary income needs to be reported, just reach out to myself or my team here at CryptoTrader.Tax and we'd be happy to point you in the right direction. So that's it. Once you've filled out all of your tax forms, you're ready to file them with the rest of your tax return. If you're using CryptoTrader.Tax, you can automatically import your tax reports into your favorite tax filing software like TurboTax or TaxAct, or you can simply send them over to your tax professional to handle on your behalf. So, to conclude, follow these 4 steps when you're sitting down to do your crypto taxes this year. Again, our 4 steps were: 1, understand the high-level tax implications of cryptocurrencies. 2, aggregate all of your crypto transaction history into one unit of record so that 3, you can calculate your gains, losses, and income in US dollar terms, and then take that data for step 4, filling out your actual tax forms. If you want help automating this entire process, you can sign up for a CryptoTrader.Tax account completely for free with no credit card required. As of recording this video, we've helped over 30,000 crypto investors of all different backgrounds get squared away with their tax reporting. And we're extremely confident that we can help you too. So that's all for now. Happy tax season to everyone, and I will see you soon.